What is Google's RankBrain? RankBrain can be said as a component against Google's core algorithm. RankBrain uses the help of machine learning ability and collects the user-specific information from the data laid off on the internet. With the help of this information, RankBrain picks related search engine queries for the user. Before RankBrain was introduced, Google followed the basic algorithm which helped it to determine results. Pre-RankBrain, it is believed that the Google has shifted to the interpretation model. This means that the location of the server and the user's related queries previously asked are all taken into consideration and now for the related results. What sets RankBrain apart from Google is the machine learning ability. RankBrain serves the purpose and eliminates all the loopholes that were once caused by Google. Machine learning abilities were only used in Google News, but now it applies to every tab. RankBrain is a revolutionizing step and it is really important for a company to step up. RankBrain is the sole introduction of the use of machine learning in searches. So with the help of this article, we will let you know how it works. Understanding the concepts of RankBrain. RankBrain is a system through which Google can clearly understand the intent of the user's search query. For instance, a person has searched for Olympic location. What does this truly mean? Does this mean that the person wants to know where the Olympic is being held? Or do they want to know about the historical locations of Olympics? RankBrain uses the intellectuality of machine learning and interprets what goes around in the head of the user while they are searching. In short, it makes Google's work easier. It is within this complicated but common situation that RankBrain emerges as a great help for Google. It mathematically calculates the results based on the patterns that machine learning has taken down. Based on the search queries, the location and various other features of the users, the correct search results are displayed. Previously, users have reported saying that 15% of the time their search queries were not met with their correct results. This was pre-RankBrain. Post-RankBrain, Google has improved the way it serves the general user. RankBrain is building off the hummingbird environment as it took Google from the steering and placed it at the thing objectification. The maintenance of technical SEO with an algorithm, Google RankBrain. Taking over search result management in dealer eProcess technical SEO, which means technical search engine optimization, describes the efforts of a webmaster or a guide to ensure that their website which is being run is compatible or not. The compatibility is checked with the help of the search engine guidelines, whichever can be indexed and ranked according to the crucial matching phrases which is given to the searchers. Technical SEO helps the marketers to make a rational decision. This decision is vital since the marketers have to run their website according to their search engine pages and undertake the best decision towards the following. How tech SEO implements a moderate working site. No website in 2019 can stand without the working function of SEO. SEO is the key or the backbone, and without a spine, no one can stand. Technical SEO determines the structure of the website and shows how the data is to be implemented. Without the use of advanced technical SEO, everything will fall apart for your website. Mostly, some of the contents which are present onto the site have over a million of reach because a lot of people read it. The main thing which website handlers don't take it easy is when the customers readily come to your site to read the content, but the web page will take around 10 seconds to download. Do you think in today's world people will stay around for such a long time for your site to load the page? They will be directed to some other page else. For every loading time being decreased, you will lose a customer and increasing the bounce rate. The bounce rate is when the customers are coming to your site and bouncing back to the others or your competitor's website. It does not matter how a great piece of content you have in your place or your substantially defined graphics, and your customer wouldn't wait for you to show them the page they want. Moving ahead to the benefits of using the formula of RankBrain, understanding Google's RankBrain artificial intelligence algorithm for better SEO. Now the SEO tutorial for YouTube. Here are the 5 benefits of technical SEO 2019. The future is all about being mobile friendly. The crowd that you have accumulated for your site is mobile friendly. Mobile devices are the ones that can help you to view and glance over anything directly. 70% of the people these days are glued to their mobile devices, and that is why technical SEO forms a big part of company's site. Back in 2015, Google implemented a new algorithm for mobile-friendly SEO customization. Technical SEO is all about it. The experts should make mobile sites friendly with the use of technical SEO optimization so that the users can be drawn in. Speed is critical for a site. What technical SEO delivers in today's world is speed. Whether you are running the site from your desktop or your handheld device, you have to increase the loading speed. Load time is the primary reason for which most of the pages are abandoned on the internet. And this is why people have to keep a lookout on the sources of loading time of a site rather than anything else. Technical SEO helps in increasing the loading rate of your site and thus decreases the bounce rate in return. If your website is too long, then it can never be clicked by a public. That is why you need to look out for something which has an accurate and optimized speed rate.